I'm unboxing my 70 to 200 Tamron lens for my Sony Alpha camera. It's Alpha mount. Here, let me turn off the TV. The TV is just making too much noise here. All right. Pause. There you go. All right, here we go. I'm going to continue to open up my box. I already got this portion already cut open, as you can see here. It's already open. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. I'm right-handed. Shoot. Really not the optimal way of doing this. Snap. All right, there we go. Let's see, did I get it torn a little? Yeah, there we go. Oh my God. Who made this crap? Let's see here. Man, I'm a cameraman by hobby, and I can't film and open up a box at the same time. Sheesh. There we go, there we go, there we go. All right, there we go. Let's cut this right here. See, that's why I don't look at the thing that I'm filming at the same time. Let's get this over here. Yes, that's stupid box. Sorry. Last time I did a video like this, I had a TV that came in that was damaged, and as you can see, my box has a little dent in it right here. Hope that doesn't affect my package. Here, let me have to set this camera down. Here, hold on one second. How's that? I turn it like this. I really can't see nothing because the camera's on the side. But see if we get enough here. There you go. There we go. Okay. Now I'll open it up. As you see, it's got the bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Get this crap out the way. It comes in a let me scoot it over here. Comes with a little envelope. All it says, thank you for buying it. It says this is a camera lens. So let's take a look here. How's it looking? Oh, looking pretty good. Okay. Alright. Push the bubble wrap off the side here. Now I can tear this apart here. Yeah. Alright. It looks like I'm still struggling with some plastic. Alright, here we go. Here's the bubble wrap. Looks like it comes in this soft little case. Here it's a little nice. And oh, it's wrapped up on the inside. So let's pull it out. Oh yeah, there you go. Look at that. Look at that. Has nothing else on the inside. It's all empty. Put this over here. Well, this is my new lens for my camera. It's a 70 to 200 Tamron lens. It looks pretty good. I don't see any outer damage right here. Take the lens cap off. The glass looks spotless. Go around to the side. Looks like the focus ring is nice and smooth. You unlock it, and then you can focus it by hand. This is the zoom ring. Feels nice and smooth. Goes from 200 to 70, or should I say 70 to 200. This is the tripod mount. Has a little lock here. Unscrew it, and I should be able to turn it. You can see 90 degrees, which is fine. I'll take it back up. look at the rear element. And as you can see, it says Minota. I don't know if you can see it, but the rear element looks pretty good. I don't see any damage. All in all, looks like a great lens to mount to my camera. It's really not all that heavy, but it'll probably be heavy on my camera. So I'll go ahead and get my camera and you can see what it looks like. Let me set it down here.